Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the virtual card from Sezzle. First, open the Sezzle mobile app on your phone and log into your account. Navigate to the virtual card tab. If you have not done so already, you may need to create a purchase request. This request sets the amount you plan to spend, including tax, shipping, or tip if applicable. Enter the amount and agree to the terms. Once approved, this purchase request stays valid for 3 days. Once you have an active purchase request, go back to the Virtual Card tab. For in-store purchases, you should add the card to your mobile wallet, either Google Pay or Apple Pay. In the app, tap Add to Wallet under the virtual card image and follow the steps to configure it. After adding the card to your mobile wallet, go to the store and shop as usual. At checkout, unlock your phone and tap your phone on the card reader, just like any tap to pay digital wallet transaction. The terminal will treat the Sezzle virtual card like a regular Visa card. Once the purchase is complete, the amount you spend will be split according to the payment plan you accepted, typically 4 installment payments over 6 weeks. Thanks for watching.